Introducing the EC790 electronic locker lock from LockeyUSA. The EC790 is easy to install and even easier to use. It replaces most standard locker locks and only requires 2 AA batteries. To install, insert batteries as shown, then replace the battery compartment cover, securing it with the provided machine screws. Remove the current lock from the locker door. Next, slide the outside lock body through the existing holes and attach the inside lock body from the back side. Secure the inside lock body with the 2 hex nuts. Before closing the door, test the operation of your new lock. Enter your 4-digit code to open the lock. The LED light counts down for 4 to 5 seconds. The lock will remain unlocked until the locker door is closed. When the door is closed, the locker is locked.